Welcome. In this session, we would discuss some of the questions that were asked in 2025 CUET PG Public Health Examination. Now, this examination actually focuses on variety of topics, so you have to have a comprehensive understanding on the core subject as well as the management aspects of the public health as well. So here, first of all, the diseases and the agents that cause the disease. So plague is caused by Yersinia pestis, so the correct match is Yersinia pestis for plague. Then for anthrax, it is bacteria anthracis, the name matches well, so you can understand that. Syphilis from Tripona pallidum and malaria from Plasmodium. So those are the correct matches for the disease and their causative agents. The next question was the sequence of bacterial growth. So as you can see, it starts with the lag phase, then there is an exponential phase, a stationary phase, and the decline phase. So lag phase, exponential phase, stationary phase, and decline phase is the correct answer. Now these type of questions are really important for your exam perspective. The other kind of questions, as I said, those are not scientific questions, not from the core science, but those are general questions. Also there were numerous questions from genetics as well, so prepare that as well. Now the question here talks about the contact between two people with different type of culture leading to diffusion of the culture both ways. That means, let's say there is a person from culture A and person from culture B. Now there is an exchange of culture, what we could say, or the cultural trait of one are being adopted by another. Now this process is what is known as acculturation, and acculturation becomes the correct answer here. So it is basically a reciprocal process where both the cultures are being affected. There is diffusion of practices, thoughts, beliefs, and ideas that take place across cultures. The next is the scale to measure the socio-economic status in an urban area only is known as Kuppuswamy scale. Very important tool, highly important question. Now it has been developed specifically only targeting to the urban area, and it is based on a composite score. Composite score means it is a score derived from various factors like education, occupation, income of the family, and then there are other tools as well. For example, BG Prasad scale that is used for rural areas. The other scales, the Parekh, Kulkshetra, and Hollingshed scales are again known for socio-economic classification, but they are not used in Indian context and not that widely used again. So two things very important: urban area only and in Indian context. So be very careful in that regards. The correct answer is Kuppuswamy scale. The next is Koplik spots. Now Koplik spots are found in the oral mucosa, and these are seen when a person is suffering from measles. Now these are small white spots that are seen on the inner lining of the cheek or the mucosa. They appear few days before the measles rashes appear on the body, and they can be diagnostic feature for understanding the presence of measles as one of the diseases. Now the other diseases we have already covered in the study material, so you can actually go back and check the complete comprehensive material on public health here. So you have the COQP 19 course that offers the material, lectures, and detailed version on public health available at exam PYQ. So wish you all the best. Thanks for joining in. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect on the number below. Have a great day.